Hello, in this video we'll be solving problems on parallel lines and transversal. Again, when a transversal intersects two or more parallel lines, special angles are formed. Most of these angles are congruent. It means they are equal to each other, and some of them are supplementary. They add up to be 180. So let's review them with this diagram. Okay, the parallel line A and M are parallel. The transversal T passes through 2 points. So angle 2 and 3 are vertical angles, congruent. 1 and 4 vertical, 6 and 7 vertical, 5 and 8 are vertical. Okay, our other congruent angles would be 2 and 6. They are corresponding. If we take this point, cut it and paste it on this point, 2 and 6 would overlap. So they are corresponding. 1 and 5 are corresponding, 3 and 7 corresponding, 4 and 8 are corresponding. Then alternate interior. Interior is inside the parallel. They are blocked by the two parallel lines. So, and they are alternate. They alternate about the transversal on the other side of the transversal, like 3 and 6. 3 is on the left side of the transversal, 6 on the right side. So they are alternate interior. They are congruent as well. And then 4 and 5 is the other alternate interior. Alternate exterior, 2 and 7 and 1 and 8. These are congruent. Angles that will be supplementary will be angle on any straight line like 3 and 4. They add up to be 180. But also angle on or on the transversal, okay, 2 and 4 would add up to be 180 as well. But also same side interior and same side exterior. So like 4 and 6, they are on the right side of the transversal. They're on the same side interior. They add up to be 180 also. And 2 and 8 will be on the same side exterior. So they add up to be 180 also. Okay, so let's use those properties to solve problems. Like this one, find the value of E. Angle E is right here. So what do we know? Well, we know E is vertical to angle x plus 30, but we don't know what x is. Okay, but how is E related to this one? E is exterior, this is exterior. So alternate exterior angles, which they are equal also. So either C is equal to this by vertical and C is equal to this by alternate exterior. But yet, each one of them has x in it. So the first thing will be to find what x is. How are the two angles related? Well, this and this, they should be corresponding. They should be on the same spot with respect to each point. So set them equal to each other. So 2x minus 45 is equal to x plus 30. And for what reason? They are corresponding angles. Okay, so solve the equation. Add 45 to both sides. Add 45 to both sides. Okay, 2x equals, so negative 45 and 45 becomes 0. 2x 45, we get what? X plus 75. What next? We can subtract 1x from both sides. We get x equals 75, and we can check it. Plug in x here and then multiply and subtract 75 plus that. You will see that you get 105. So that checks. So since if we confirm that x is 75, then we find what angle E is B. We can either use this one or that one since they're equal to each other. So angle E is going to equal whatever angle x plus 30. So x is 75 plus 30, which gives us 105. So angle E is 105. We can try it with the other one just to check. 2x angle E equals 2x minus 45. This is 2 times 75 minus 45. Okay, it's 150 minus 45, okay, which gives us 105. The same thing, 105. So that checks. Angle E is 105. Okay. Next, you can pause the video and try this yourself first and then check the answer. Alright, what do we know? That these two angles are interior and they are on the same side. They are on the same side of the transversal. So they are supplementary. So we do 2x plus 43 plus 2x minus 3 equals 180. So we do same side interior angles. Same side interior angles. Okay. So we collect like terms. This is 4x plus 43 minus 3 equals 180. Okay, so 4x plus 40, if we subtract 3 from 43, equals 180. Subtract 40 from both sides, we get 4x equals 140. Divide both sides by 4. If we divide both sides by 4, then x is going to be 35. And again, you can substitute x in this and then solve it to see if it equals 180 to check your work. Next, again, pause the video and try it yourself. How are they related? Well, we're looking for A, but we know that A and this angle are on the transversal line, so they are supplementary. But this angle here and this angle here, they are alternate exterior. So alternate exterior angles are equal. So let's find that first. Alright, here we set them equal to each other. 3y plus 53 equals 7y minus 55 because alternate exterior angles are equal. We solve the equation, add 55 to both sides. We get 3y plus 108 equals 7y, and then subtract 3y from both sides. We get 108 equals 4y. Then we divide both sides by 4. We get y equals 27. Again, plug that in and check to make sure that your calculation is right. And then, so we know also that angle A plus 7y minus 55 is going to equal 180. Because they are supplementary, they add up to be 180. So we solve for A, and we can, since we already know y now, we can put 7 times 27, and then subtract 55. Okay, angle A plus, so if we multiply that, 7 times 27 should be 189. Then subtract 55. Alright, moving down. So angle A plus, so 189 minus 55. Should be 134. Okay, and then we can subtract 134 from both sides. So angle A is equal to 180. Okay. Okay, so angle A is equal to 46.